What's up, tech? Today, a package arrived and it is a budget mechanical keyboard from TEMU. This is the Magegee MK*75 black and white keys with yellow linear switches. Out of the box, we got some red caps, a keycap puller, a warranty card, and a user guide in English and Chinese, a USB Type-C cable, and the keyboard itself. I got this keyboard for 402 Philippine pesos, which is roughly $7 at the time of this recording. However, upon checking the price of this keyboard, it is now around 1,320 pesos, which is around $24. This is a 75% keyboard layout with 84 keys in total. As you can see, it has a yellow linear switch, just a generic linear switch. Not that heavy. It is made of plastic material, but there is some quite of weight in it. It also has a knob here. The knob is metal and you can press it to change the modes. This keyboard has a very long Type-C cable that you can insert here on the right side of the keyboard. Also, it has 3-level stand. So I have already changed some of the keys to the red one, as you can see. However, there's still some keys left. So as soon as you hook it up, there is light animation. So this is the first mode. It's just a static ice blue light. You can adjust the brightness using Fn and the down button and up button. You can also adjust the brightness of the backlight using this knob. Just make sure that the LED here, or the indicator, is on. To make sure that it is on, you need to push down the button. As you can see, it's already on. Now, you can adjust the brightness using the knob. To turn off this mode, you need to long press the knob. And now it controls the volume. Let's now check the lighting modes for the MK*75. To change the mode of the lighting, click Fn and insert. So this is a breathing light. To adjust the speed of the effects, it's Fn and left and right. So to slow down, use Fn and left. And to speed up the effect, it's Fn and right. Let's move on to the next lighting effect. This is where when you tap a specific key, the LED on that specific key turns off and gradually turns on. Sweeping on both sides. Wave on both sides. It turns on when you click a specific key and it spans outward. The whole row on where you click lights up. The key that you press lights up. It creates a wave whenever you press a key. And here are more lighting effects that are included in this keyboard.
we go.
Now let's try this keyboard in a typing test.
So that is my review of the Magegee MK*75 keyboard. I think this is a very good starting keyboard for everyone who's on a budget. It's a very good build. It's quite heavy. It has good rubber pads that will keep it stable whenever you're typing.
Also, you need to take note that this keyboard does not have a print screen key. However, there is a software wherein you can assign a key that you are not using often to use as your print screen key. Personally, I cannot stress this out more, but this is a very good mechanical keyboard in this budget range. If you are new in the mechanical keyboard community, this might be a good mechanical keyboard for you. If you like my review, please like this video and consider subscribing, for I will be posting more tech videos in the future.